Nice, nice. Congratulations. Welcome to your subscription.
First class.
Yeah, first
Yeah.
class. Did you go through the document?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so I'll tell you how it works. Now that you've subscribed, when you open the app, on the top left corner, there is a hamburger bar, the three lines. When you
Okay.
open that, there'll be an option for session outline.
Session outline. Okay.
Okay, just click on that, and there'll be numbers one, two, three according to your sessions. And you open that before the session, go through the topic, go through the questions, try to learn some vocabulary so that you can implement it when we are talking over here. Okay, and
Okay.
yeah, that's about it. Then there are some exercises that you can do after the session. You'll figure it out. All the instructions are in the document. Okay.
Okay, fine.
All right. So today we're going to talk about travel.
I was thinking you might ask me about travel.
Yeah, we have set topics for our subscription session.
Okay.
So today we're going to talk about travel. Now, I remember what you did last time. Okay, I know it was not conscious. You said some Hindi words.
Yeah, I
It's
did.
fine. It's fine. But this time I'm not going to interrupt you. I'm just going to raise my hand every time I hear a Hindi word. Okay,
Okay,
and then
fine.
you have to correct yourself.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Is there anything else I need to remember? Yeah, we spoke about World War Z. Yeah. Yeah. You also said only na.
Yeah,
Like,
I remember.
yeah. So that also counts in Hindi words. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah. So I'll just write these things down so you don't do it in the and only now. All right. Perfect. All right. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit. Not
Why?
that much.
No, we're just gonna talk about random things. It's okay.
Okay.
Not an exam. I won't tell anyone you made mistakes. I can keep your secrets. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, fine.
All right. So Arohi, what is your dream destination?
Might be Paris.
Might be.
Might be. I don't know.
Why are you so confused about the destination?
Okay, I'm blank right now.
Does it have something to do with an ex-boyfriend that you don't remember, or he promised you he'll take you and now you're not
No,
sure if
no,
to go?
no, nothing like that. It just okay, okay, Singapore, maybe Singapore.
Okay, nice. You want to tell me why Singapore?
Yeah, because I heard that it is very beautiful, and I have seen many pictures on online,
That's
Google it.
true.
Yeah.
That's true. What would you like to do when you go there? I want to know that. Obviously, it looks good and all, but you can't just go there and just stand and look at it. And I don't know what you'll do. Like, so what you want to get? You want to try the food? You want to shop over there, or you want to visit some sort of attraction over there?
uh, I don't know.
Okay,
Maybe
is it
I.
okay? I'll tell you about my dream destination. Maybe that'll
Yeah.
relax you a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
So my dream destination is London. Okay,
Okay.
for various reasons. One, because uh, ever since I was in my school, I was fascinated by the British, right? But then I learned the history of India and Britishers and how they are a little. Never mind, I'm not going to say anything controversial, but I stopped liking them that much. But still, I have some sort of fascination, some soft spot. Okay, so
Okay.
I love football. I live for football. Okay, and I also have a tattoo. My favorite football team. Okay,
Okay. Great.
yeah, Arsenal. I'm sure you've heard of Manchester United.
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, I have heard about it.
All right, awesome. So Arsenal and Manchester United play in the same league. Okay,
Okay.
you know how like Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings, just like that. Okay, so my dream is to go to that stadium and watch a game, and I
Okay.
want to go to London and I want to try their food. Even though people tell me it's like the food is bland, they don't like a lot of spices and everything is pretty bland and Kora,
Yeah.
is that the word? Yeah. But I still want to go there. I want to have a beer over there, like how Britishers keep saying, "Let's go get a pint." I'm like, yes, even I want to try that. I want to feel that feeling, and I want to. I just want to do it. I don't know why, but I want to do it. And my heart is literally in London. So, what is something that you're passionate about, and something that you really want to do? It can be, it can be skydiving in Dubai. It can be, something in Spain, trying a pizza in Italy. It can be anything stupid, anything silly,
Traveling.
anything.
Okay.
Yeah, anything.
Yeah, skydiving. As you
Yeah.
said, skydiving. It is one of, yeah, it is one of them.
But you want to do the activity, not in a particular place.
No, not a particular bus. It's just an activity.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
you want to do skydiving. That doesn't count in dream destination. That
Yeah, it
counts in like a
doesn't.
bucket list or like
Bucket
goals.
list. Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. What about a destination? Anything in India is also fine. A lot of people have Indian dream destinations like Kashmir. Kashmir is beautiful.
Yeah. People say that ki Kashmir is most, it's like a Singapore, small Singapore something.
Hmm.
I have heard about that. So maybe Kashmir first, then in future might be Singapore.
Nice, nice. Okay.
I
So
live in a
I,
present. I don't I don't just think about future that much. Yeah.
hmm
I live in the
but
moment.
in the
In the moment.
moment,
Moment. Moment.
yeah,
Okay.
movement is
Okay.
movement.
Yeah. Momentum. It's physics. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
that's momentum. Yes.
It's
So
momentum.
moment, yeah, like momos,
Yeah.
moment.
Moment.
Yeah.
It's
You're
okay.
saying MOV, that's movement.
No, I didn't. Okay.
I know what
Movement.
you're saying, but it sounds
Yeah.
like movement.
Okay. Got it.
It's the same moment.
Moment. Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Uh, you said a Hindi word in the middle. Okay. Now I'm going to assume every time you say a Hindi word, I'm going to be offended because it sounds like an abuse to
Okay.
me then. You said,
Okay. Okay.
when they
Fine.
say that K, you said K in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. I'm just going to
It
circle this.
it will take time. I think
Yes, yes, sure.
I'm
I'm
not
not
used
going to
to
grill
it.
you over it. Don't worry. I'm not going to grill you over. That's why I raised my hand. I didn't say anything in the middle. But you didn't notice the hand, so I'm mentioning it to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. What else? What do you like about traveling? Like, do you like to travel even though you live in the now? Do you like to travel?
Yeah. Uh, eh, um, I just love the idea of traveling because I to meet people basically and to know more about culture,
Hmm.
to know about more food, the basic traditional food and all.
That's
Yeah.
nice. So you're a people's person.
Sometimes, sometimes.
Ambivert. Are you an ambivert?
Yeah. I am.
Nice, nice. I think that's a perfect balance. I don't like people who are introverts and I don't like people who are extroverts because it's always in the extremes.
Yeah. It depends. It depends on the situation also.
That's
Sometimes I
true.
behave like an introvert, or sometimes I behave like an extrovert.
Yeah. That's okay. That's completely fine. I think that's how it should be,
Yeah.
because you need to realize where you are and you need to react to the situation in front of you. Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me your favorite mode of transport.
Mode of transport. Car, maybe.
Car. Awesome. Even I
Yeah.
love cars. I have this
Yeah.
thing that my music taste is really weird. So my friends, they always, whenever I'm playing music, they'll sit in the car and the first thing they'll do is they'll turn the volume down.
So you are one of the one of them who play Haryanvi songs in
No,
the car.
no,
I don't like Haryanvi song.
no, no. I'm from Mumbai, so I don't.
Okay, you are
We
from
don't.
Mumbai. Okay.
Yes, we don't. I just got goosebumps when he said that. No, we don't do
No,
that.
I live almost 2 years in Delhi, and most of the people, most of the boys, especially, love
Yeah.
Haryanvi song. So
Mm.
that's actually I don't like Haryanvi song. That's why I'm asking
So now we know why you moved back from Delhi
you.
because you couldn't handle that anymore.
Yeah, one of the reasons maybe. Uh,
Yes. Okay. So what I was trying to say is that I only listen to English music, okay? And I don't listen to music that's more into like lyrics. I'm more of a beat person, like
beat person,
like a
okay.
vibe. Like I don't know if you heard of trap, and I used to listen to EDM. I don't listen to EDM anymore. So whenever I'm playing these songs, they will just come and they'll reduce the volume, and I'll just look at them like, why are you sitting in my car? Just go away. Because I love
Okay.
driving for that reason, so that you can roll
Turn
your
on the
windows
music,
up.
yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
roll your windows up and play loud music and just feel the song, like just be
Yeah.
in the moment type. But it doesn't work out. So I love driving. I like driving is my favorite mode of transport. Only if I'm alone in the car.
Okay. Great.
Only if I'm alone, or I have to like literally negotiate with my friends that, hey, listen, half an hour I'm going to play music and you can't stop me. So I specifically convinced my wife and my friends that when we were going to Goa recently in December, that I will only drive if I get to play my music.
Okay, great.
Okay. So I remember we had taken three ships, and when we were reaching the Goa Ghats, okay, have you ever been to Goa by road?
No, I haven't been.
Okay, so it's a 14-hour drive from Mumbai, okay, from Mumbai to Goa. But like you can reach 50 kilometers from Goa in the first 10 hours. And then that
Okay.
50 or 100 kilometers is 4 hours because it's completely like kacha rasta and ghat and everything, like rough roads. Okay. And that part I really wanted to drive in. And that is exactly why I wanted to take the car. And I
Okay.
told them that if I don't drive in that, I'm going to crash the car. I'm sorry, if I don't listen to my music in that like 3 hours, I'm going to
Yeah.
crash the car. And then they got really scared and they're like, fine, play your music. And I was full hyped. I was driving through the ghats, listen to my trap music. It was
Okay.
hilarious. That's why I wanted to know what is your favorite mode. Like, do you have any stories like that?
Yeah.
Are you like I'm going in an airplane, Instagrammer, Badal important hai?
No, no, no. No, I'm not that kind of person. No.
Okay,
Uh,
so
I just told you, I just love like okay, how to explain that? I'm very bad with I think when it come to explaining na, I think I'm very bad at it. Especially in English, not in Hindi. Yeah.
it's okay. That is why we're here to make you uncomfortable.
Yeah, I know.
No, no, I mean in
That's
English so you can grow.
yeah.
Okay. So tell me. I really want to know what you were saying. Finish the sentence.
I forgot. I don't remember.
Forgot. You
Yeah.
were saying something about why you like a particular mode of transport. I think you told me car. So why car?
Yeah. Just long drive and all. Yeah, maybe that's the reason.
Nice. So do you generally go out for long drives with your friends
Sometimes
and road trips?
road trips. No,
I can say my
not.
parents don't give me permission.
Yeah, same.
No,
Same.
I don't need permission. I just take the car and leave. I'm asking about you.
Yeah, I'm. Okay, how to say that? I'm just saying. Yeah, my parents don't allow me. That's the reason.
Okay, where would you like to go on a road trip?
On road trip, maybe Goa. Yeah, it is one of the places I like to visit.
Hmm.
Uh, Daman and Diu.
Yes, that's good. Anywhere non-alcohol related?
Non-alcohol related.
Yeah, because
Daman and
Goa
Diu
and
is non-alcohol related,
no, it's
non-alcohol
cheap
place.
alcohol, so people go there for
Okay,
alcohol as well.
it's near
I'm
to
not saying it's
Mumbai, I
only.
think.
Yes, it is close to Mumbai.
Okay,
Yeah, don't say near to
uh,
Mumbai. Say close to Mumbai.
close to Mumbai. Okay, Srinagar maybe. Yeah.
Ooh, Srinagar, that's nice. So you'll do like a half India trip when you start from Kolkata to Kashmir, Srinagar. Hello. Hello.
Okay. Hello. What
Yeah.
happened? Hello.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
I think we got paused for a second. Yeah. So you want to do like a half India trip from Kolkata to Kashmir?
Kolkata? I didn't say Kolkata.
Yes, you did. You told me you live in a small city next to Kolkata, like in the suburbs or something.
No, I didn't say. I live in
Wait.
Lucknow.
Oh, Lucknow. I'm sorry. Yeah, I mixed that up. Sorry, Lucknow.
Okay, it's okay. Koi nahi.
Wow.
Again, I use that Hindi word.
Yes, yes. It's okay. You're comfortable in that language. I understand why you're using it.
Yeah.
No problem.
I think
Fine.
English, speaking in English is one of my biggest fear. One of my biggest fear. Since childhood, I have this, what do I say?
Insecurity.
Yeah, insecurity. Not insecurity, but I get
Doubt.
cautious. Yeah, I get
Conscious.
cautious. Conscious. Cautious is a different word. Yeah. Conscious.
Yes. Not a problem. See, you're speaking really well. I think the only thing that's stopping you is your own self because you're doubting yourself.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
That's the
So
reason.
just be a little more relaxed. Even if you make a mistake, it's fine. Like I'm sure you don't remember the mistakes your friends make, right? If I ask you,
No,
this is human psychology. See, if I ask you, what mistake did your friend make 2 months ago, and you're not going to remember that, right? Like
no,
exactly.
obviously
So
not.
you will remember all of your mistakes. That's why you put yourself down. Because if
Yeah,
I ask you what mistake you made 10 years ago, you'll remember that mistake very clearly.
obviously.
Yeah, so that's how human psychology works. We
So,
need to,
yeah,
yes,
nothing. Nothing.
okay. So we need to make sure we control our own brains and we tell our brain that, no one else cares, only we care. No one else cares. We need to relax a little bit. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you ever been outside India, outside the
No, I
country?
haven't. Not
Any
yet.
any plans?
Right now, no.
Okay. Any plans that got cancelled because of Corona? And no, the Goa trip doesn't count because वो वैसे भी cancel होने ही वाला था.
Yeah. नहीं, अभी, oh my God, again and start speaking
So
in
I'm sorry.
Hindi.
Maybe it was because I said it in Hindi. Sorry.
No,
Okay. Were there any plans that got cancelled because of Corona?
no, I I haven't planned any trip,
None.
so
You don't want to hang
none.
out with your friends.
No, just I am focusing on my career right now.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That is the only valid excuse you have for not going somewhere.
Yeah, you can see that.
That's good. That's good. You should keep it that way. What about in your own state or in India?
In India, actually, my father is a retired army officer. So since childhood, I have been, because of the posting and all. So I born in Jammu. Then my father had a transfer. Then what? Then Andhra Pradesh. Then I did my sixth class.
Fair? Did you just say fair?
Okay. Okay.
And
Then
after that, you can say, and after that, we went
after
to
that, I my father had a post in Nagpur.
in
Then
Nagpur.
in Nagpur. Then then right now I'm living in Lucknow. Yeah.
Nice. So you're from Kashmir. You're from Jammu.
No, I'm not. I'm not from Kashmir. I just born there.
You were just born there. You can say
Yeah,
I was born there.
I was born there.
So where is like your hometown?
Hometown is Lucknow.
Oh, so you're back home.
Yeah.
That's nice. I would have loved to have been born in Kashmir. Such a beautiful place.
Yeah.
I've only heard good things about. I mean, not only heard good things, but I've heard good things about Kashmir. Obviously, I've heard the bad
Okay.
things also. But
Yeah.
where else have you been? To like, I'm not saying where you moved. I want to know where you traveled.
I didn't travel that much. So what should I tell you?
Is it because your dad was in the army? He was a really strict parent.
No, no. My mom is strict. My dad is very chill.
Mm, okay. So you've not even traveled in India that much.
No.
Wow. That's okay. That's okay. Everyone has their preferences. I'm
Yeah.
sure now maybe once you finish your studies and you finish your UGC, am I saying it correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Once you do that, maybe then you can get out.
I don't think I will continue UGC and all.
Why? What happened?
Nothing. I think I'm not interested to continue in
So what
UGC.
do you want to do? What are you passionate about?
I told you yesterday.
Me again
Maybe.
today. We're practicing our English, right?
Okay. Uh, Regarding why festival. Okay. Maybe I will become a trainer. So, like a trainer.
I
Yeah.
would want to become a trainer.
Yeah, I would want to become a trainer, personal trainer.
Nice. So you should do some courses. There are lots of free courses available now online.
Free courses online.
Yeah, to be a
Which
better
one?
trainer. I mean, I don't know anything about trainers, but
Yeah.
like I'm sure there are courses for that. So you can research that, I'm saying. Because if you want to become a trainer, you're going to have to start now, baby steps,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I'm searching.
So you haven't started working on it yet.
No, I'm working on myself right now. Matlab regarding the gym training and all, but I don't
So you're
know.
getting fit yourself.
Yeah, then only can I teach others now. How can I teach?
I have seen a lot of Instagram accounts where they start posting pictures. I'm
Yeah,
not
I'm also thinking about that also.
where they've documented their, you know,
Journey.
yes, and
Yeah.
that makes them more relatable and more, yeah, if
But
she can actually do it, she's not one of those people who's always fit and got fat just to show us that she can get fit. That's what it is.
okay.
And I'm not talking about you. I'm not calling you fat or
Yeah.
anything. I'm
No,
just saying
no,
that's
it's
what
okay.
that's what people are doing.
Yeah.
So maybe you should do that. Maybe you should just start an Instagram right now and start putting posts and pictures about your exercise routine and your diet or however you want to do this. But
Yeah. I'm thinking about that.
yeah, my boss told me recently.
What?
You don't have to keep thinking. Sometimes you start doing. You can think while you're doing it. So if that works for you, go for it. Just start it. Once you made an Instagram and you start posting, you will hold yourself responsible. That I have to keep up to my promises or like whatever promises you make to yourself and goals.
Okay.
Obviously, I'm not. I should not be giving you life advice. Never mind.
No, no.
I should only be teaching you
No,
English. Okay, no problem. So, Arohi, should I get to the corrections now?
yeah.
Do you have a pen and paper with you?
Yeah, I have.
All right, awesome. So, like you already know about the Hindi, so I don't have to mention that. Okay.
Okay.
The second thing is you use a lot of fillers. Okay. Are you
Okay.
comfortable?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
All right, cool. So you use a lot of fillers. There's one sentence, like there's one phrase that you use a lot, and all.
And
Okay.
all.
Yes. That is something you can say once in a while, but you used
Once
it
in a
four
while.
times in 25 minutes, which is not
Okay.
that much. I've seen worse, but we have to control it while it's here, not when you're using it 15 times in one sentence. That's a
Okay.
sign that you're not confident about what you're saying and you don't know what you're saying. It's like how we used to say etc. back in school when we ran out of examples. Exactly
Yeah.
like that. Okay, but only in spoken terms. I told you about near to Mumbai. You said near to Mumbai, right? It's close to Mumbai.
Close to Mumbai.
There is this really good restaurant close to my house. You don't say near to my house, okay? Say close to my house. It's walking distance, right?
Okay.
A stone's throw away. Have you ever heard that statement?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can use these statements to amplify the information we are trying to give. Okay. Then you said, I born in Jammu, right? So this is in the past. So we say I was born. Okay.
Yeah, I was born.
Yeah. Are you getting bored?
No, I
Okay.
thought time is over.
25 minutes, right?
Yeah, okay. 25
Yeah.
minutes.
So in 25 minutes, we give 29 because,
Okay.
sometimes people come late, sometimes there are network issues. So we have a buffer of 3, 4 minutes. So that's why I am talking about the corrections in the last 3 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Um, then you said you like traveling because you want to know more about culture.
Yeah.
So this is something you can say if you're talking about one particular place. I want to go to Kerala because I want to know more about their culture. The correct way to say that in general terms is I like to travel because I want to know more about cultures, various cultures or various traditions. You said to know more about culture. You didn't say
Okay.
to know more about a culture or their
Oh,
culture.
various culture. Okay.
Various cultures because there's so many in India, right? We're a very diverse country with many languages and dialects. So we generally use plural terms in culture. Okay. I think that's it. We have 30 seconds left. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't have any questions.
I
I
hope
just
you had fun today and I didn't demotivate you in any way.
no, no.